How you doing, everybody? I just wanted to do a quick video for you because I am fired up today. Today is May 15th, 2018, and I wanted to tell you that date for a reason, so you remember we are in an unbelievable hot market right now. So anyway, the last 7 days, so the last 7 days from today have been absolutely the absolute best there have been since I started my coaching and training business. So just in the last 7 days, we have several that did their very first deals. We have many repeat deals. So Mike Williams closed his very first one off of a bandit sign. Got it closed and assigned. Well, it's assigned. It's not closed yet. We're getting set to close for $12,500. Robin Gilbert, who just attended last month, another bandit sign deal. She got herself a bandit sign deal for a $10,000 assignment fee. Congratulations, Robin. Sal got another one. Great story. I just spoke with him this morning where he got his from. He went to a foreclosure, knocked on the door trying to speak to the owner, and the guy who was there was not the owner. It was a tenant, was telling him he's actually working on buying it himself, so he didn't want to give up the owner's information. However, he told him about a property across the street that has been vacant for 2 years, and he knew the owner's information on that. He gave it to him, and he ended up getting a deal done on it. The Ackermans have their deal pending right now, which we're hoping to show this week. We're hoping for a $20,000 assignment fee on it. Martha and John Monahan they're on the 1 yard line getting a slow flip done. So is Michelle. Michelle's on the 1 yard line as well. We're waiting to hear back on an offer that she had made. Alex has just purchased his first rehab. His first property he's going to rehab. He just contracted it. Lucy sold her wholesale deal, as well as she just closed. I literally just hung up the phone with her maybe 10 minutes ago, closed on a wholesale lease option, which a lot of you guys are ignoring those wholesale lease options, but she's working it. So she finished working it, made a $6,000 fee on it. So congratulations to Lucy. That was fantastic. There's probably 5 or 6 of you I'm not even thinking of right now because I'm driving and I'm trying to think while I'm driving. But on top of all of that, on top of all these deals that we're working with all of you guys, I got 3 deals this week myself. And the first one I got off of my billboards. You guys know I'm running a billboard campaign right now, and I got that deal. Went out there, I assigned it. That one is a $10,000 assignment fee. I got another deal from my landlord at my office. Actually called me. And this deal was an unlisted property. He called me with it as a referral, and I ended up doing it completely blind. Never even went to see the house. Just did the math on my computer. I ended up making an offer on it and sold it without ever even going out to the property. $13,000 assignment fee on it. And the last one I got this week, I got off of a Facebook group. And you know, I very, very rarely ever even reply to any of that stuff you see on these Facebook groups with properties available. And this particular one, I saw it and I was like, oh, that actually looks like a good deal. Went out, met with them, contracted it, wholesaled it for a $10,000 assignment fee. And so the reason I wanted to share this video, I was literally just thinking about it. I said, this week has been insane. Everybody's getting deals. Well, the reason I told you the date before is because I want you to be current, and I want you to know if you're on the fence and you have not started yet, or you're thinking about starting, or you're waiting to get your marketing materials or get something going, I want you to know that right now is about as hot as it has ever been, and it very likely is as hot as it will ever be. So if you're on the fence or thinking about getting started, now is the time. Get started. 2 of these first deals I shared with you both came off. 2 of their first deals, the very first deals they've ever done, came off of bandit signs, the most inexpensive way you could market, and they got deals $12,500 and a $10,000 assignment fee off of a $2 sign. So keep that in mind. There's not one way to make $1 million. There's a million ways to do it, and so keep that in mind. Get out there. Now is the time. If you're thinking at all about getting into this business, now is the time. So I'm sure there's a couple of you I forgot to even mention your deals that you have pending. Go ahead and comment down below if I forgot you. I apologize. And comment down below on your deals if you have any deals that I did forget. And thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.